Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before. Then you...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm about to do a oil change on a 2004 Toyota Sienna. This is the CE model, and let's get down to business. Alright guys, I have a 14mm to take off the drain plug. I used my extension because the shorter one was giving me a hard time. Didn't have the leverage, so I used my longer extension. And I didn't use a jack, I just drive it up on my ramp, which is easier. Just make sure you lock your press down on your e-brake. So I got it released. Here I'm draining the oil. As you can see, all those mess, and there goes the filter right there, the black thing at the top. That's your filter. I'm going to explain the mess that you see. You're going to see it at the top as well. It's missing the reservoir cap, and that's why you are seeing a lot of those white stain, because you know, the more you drive, the water, the pressure is going to scoot up the water due to it don't have a reservoir cap. So it kind of leave a lot of white marks, white stain most of the part. So all you need is a 14mm. Take off the drain plug, and to take off the filter, I use a filter clamp. I don't know if you're going to see it in the video because I was trying to hold the camera and I was trying to do the work as well. The filter location is just a little above of the pan. It's like in between, close to the radiator, and once you got to do it from the bottom, you can't really see it from the top. So I did it from the bottom. Twist it off. I use the filter clamp to loosen it, and you know, it's lefty loosey, righty tighty. So I don't know if I give a good demonstration by showing you all, because as I said, it was like in a position, it was hard to video record, and yeah, it's hard to video record it and doing it at the same time. I didn't really have my cameraman with me today, and I had just really wanted to get this done. I had to get this out of the way, so I did what I had to do, guys. Show you guys, that's the clamp that I have. You can't really see, but you see the filter right there, the black. It's all black with the white spots on it, the white stains right there. That's the filter right there above. So I had to use a clamp to loosen it. As you can see, I kind of have a hard time holding the camera and try to show you guys. There we go. I'm twisting it, twisting. Oh yeah, what had happened when I twisted off, it went on the left hand side and it was in a position, so it took me a while to find it, but I got it off. It's just that because I was trying to hold the camera and try to show that I'm twisting it to get it off, and it had dropped. Yeah, guys, this was in a little position. It was easy. See, it dropped like right to the side of it. It was like right there on the side, but because I was trying to show you guys, you know, it was a little difficult holding the camera and try to do the job at the same time, do the work at the same time. But I do it for you guys, and I had to do a voiceover because a guy across the street was using a lot of profanity, and I didn't want that to get into my video. So I basically went to the top to see if I could get it from the top. It was a no-no, a no-go. No-go, it was a no-no. I couldn't find it from the top, so I had to go back to the bottom, grab the filter, and I found it anyways. I removed it, and I start putting back on the drain plug, you know, hand tighten it, and just take the ratchet and just tighten it like give it like one little snug after I hand tighten it. I didn't really show that I used the wrench and give it a little snug, but I did. I didn't want this video to draw out. And the new filter coming up is the STP extended. I think this one give you the 4,000 miles. As you can see, that's where the filter, that's the filter housing right there. And this is the new one that I'm opening, the STP extended life S3614XL. So I get it open. I basically lubricated the seal at the top with some brand new oil, and I basically hand tied it. You don't need no tool to tighten that up. And as I said, it was in a little position, you know, it's kind of hard to hold it and record and try to show at the same time due to I didn't have a cameraman, so I had to do everything by myself. Yes guys, I had to do everything by myself, so I did it guys. I did it. Got it on properly, screw it on, got it, hand tighten it perfectly. Perfect, got it right there. Make sure I tighten it as tight as I can with my manpower. Don't really need a tool to tighten that up. Hopefully you guys could see how easy it is. It's even easier without me recording, but I had to show you guys, so, you know, always good to help people out there. Somebody always want to do things for themselves to save some money, you know. That's where the drain plug is at, and you could just use the ratchet and just tighten it, give it one snug, which I did it off camera. All right, here is the easy part. You know me, I went for the Mobile 1 5W30 extended performance, protects for 220,000 miles, advanced full synthetic motor oil. And yeah, it takes, I think it's like 4 quarts, but I'll just pour the whole thing. 4 or 5 quarts, I'll just pour the whole thing. It's not going to really cause no harm or damage. This is like a 4.5 US quart. They round it off as 5 quart bottle, but yeah, like 5 US quart. But I pour the whole thing. It's not going to cause no harm. Yeah, I'm just pouring it. Really appreciate you guys enjoying my video. So this one I had to do a voiceover, because as I said, I had a guy across the street was like saying a lot of profanity. I did not want that to get into my video, so I had to do a voiceover. And also I showed that I resetted the maintenance require light as well when I finished pouring the oil and everything. And as you see those white spots, I think I'm going to show it at close to the end of the video after I finish pouring the oil. The white spots came from the reservoir cap, because the reservoir cap is not there. So as I said, when you're driving, you accelerate or hitting a bump, the pressure goes up, so it's gonna spill all over the engine components and it leave a stain. That's where you see all those white spots, which is where I'm gonna show you guys. I gotta get a reservoir cap. It's like $20-something online. They don't even have nothing cheaper just for a cap. It sucks. It really do sucks. But so far so good. Right here, see all those white spots? It came from that right where I'm going to point. The cap is not there, so it's going to spill all over, of course. You know, when the engine heat up and you drive and you accelerate, it's going to scoot all over the place. So yeah, guys, easy and fast oil change. I'm going to show you guys how I reset the light, the maintenance required light. It was really easy, simple, really fast. You know, yeah, put that cap back on. It requires 5W30 motor oil. And there you have it, you know. Just wipe off the excess oil that spill. And good to go. Yeah. You need to get that cap, which is like $25, I think it is. Yes. Like about that, $25 or $30 for a cap. I don't know why they got it so expensive. So drive down the ramp, get down to business to reset that maintenance require light. Basically, this is how you reset the oil light for a 2004 Toyota Sienna. You make sure it's on the odometer and you hold it down. You turn the key to the on position. You're going to see the dashes going by. And boom. That's how you reset your oil life for 2004 Toyota Sienna. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye. God bless.